Hello. Today I will show you how to do rose nail art using blooming gel.
First, paint your nails black. I did 2 coats because it was not dark enough. Cure each layer for 1 minute in LED light. Next, apply blooming gel and do not cure it in the lamp. Use white gel polish and a thin brush to draw the rose. If you don't like how your rose looked, you can always wipe the gel and draw again. Once you're happy with how the rose looked, quickly cure it in LED lamp for 1 minute. Next, use red gel polish on top. Make sure the polish is sheer so that it doesn't cover the rose. Cure for 1 minute. Lastly, apply top coat and cure 1 minute in LED light.